Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Now let's get on to the next thing I bought. Y'all know Glam Light. So I only bought 2. And I found a way that I can get into these bottles. I watched somebody directed me to someone else's account and said, watch her reel, and she shows you how she did it. And I kind of thought the same thing when I first got them and opened them up. And I said, there's got to be a way, because I don't want to take off this seal. I want to put them up on display. They don't necessarily have to have the palette in them, but I want the bottle. So the only way to do it is right here on the side. It has that tears, that zip, and then this whole thing comes off. But then the bottle comes apart, and I don't want it to. I want the plastic case. I want the cases to look, the displays to look like that. So this is the chocolate martini. This is the one that I got. And I took off, there's a plastic, there was a round disc sticker. Here you go. If you open it up by taking off that sticker on the bottom, palette comes right out. This one is dark chocolate premium. Chocolate martini. Ooh. Ooh. And it's got a martini glass stamped in the middle. The center, that center one has a martini glass stamped. But these are the colors. It kind of gives you a little better picture of them. So does that. Wow. Vanilla vodka. That's so cute. And then it has your mirror with your little chocolate. Okay. Again, there's the wine. This is the wine. And this is the wine palette. Now you can, as I mentioned before, you just take off that little sticker. So this is her. She's gorgeous. Best Wine Awards. Oh, how beautiful. Oh, they did a good job. Got your mirror. It does have the little grapes right there. See the grapes? I know, reflection. I love the nutritional facts on the back. Account per serving, calories 0, calories from fat 0. To get featured, use Glam Light at Glam Light on Instagram. Take a look at the 2 that have the wine glasses. Can you see those? These 2 right here. This in the middle row has a wine glass, as well as this one. This one is Pinot Noir, and this is Magnum. And she's got some shimmers. She's got some glitters in there. Not full chunky glitters. Very pretty. Very pretty. This is going to be an exciting palette. There's nothing wrong with the palette. What I'm saying is there's a little bit of the shadow. This one right here, that's the Merlot, has a little bit of fallout on it. And when you put the sheet protector over it, static cling started going to the other palettes. Anyway, that's it. So now that I have them out of their casings, I don't think I want to put them back in there, or else I won't be able to use them. because that was tough getting them out. But you got to work at it. She was right. You do have to work at it. And I wasn't sure I was going to get them out. But you know what? They did. So now these can go on display up there. And I can still use these without breaking the seal. I hope you learned a little bit in watching this video on how to get your palettes out of your Glam Light. Little plastic casing so you can put them on display anywhere in your beauty room. That's it, you guys. I'm done. I'm tired and I'm going to get going. I don't think I have any more boxes and I don't have anything more to share with you guys for now until the Boxycharms start coming in and the other Ipsies begin to trickle in, because the only one I've had so far is the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and that was my Boxycharm over 50. So I got quite a few boxes that are still going to be showing up during the month, including, I didn't shop that much for add-ons, so don't worry about it. I won't bore you with anything else like that. If I do start feeling better to upload some filler videos, I'm probably going to do some makeup, share makeup, you know, shop my stash, and show you how I do just like a simple look like this. So what do you guys think? You be interested in something like that? Let me know down below. All right, until next time, you guys take care. Bye.